Hello, food lovers, you are welcome to our wonderful channel. Now we will be sharing an intriguing culinary journey of making Rocky Road at home in the comfort of your kitchen. Do not miss out, so sit back, relax and enjoy. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. Creating homemade Rocky Road is a delightful culinary adventure that combines the richness of chocolate with the crunch of nuts and the sweetness of marshmallows. Whether you prefer a classic Rocky Road with almonds and marshmallows or a creative twist with pretzels and peanut butter cups, mastering the art of Rocky Road making opens the door to endless possibilities for indulgent treats. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through every step of the process, from melting the chocolate to mixing in your favorite fillings and toppings. By following these detailed instructions and tips, you'll be well equipped to make delicious Rocky Road that will delight your friends and family. List of contents to be shared. 1. Introduction to Rocky Road. 2. Essential ingredients for making Rocky Road. 3. Selecting the best chocolate. 4. Choosing nuts and fillings. 5. Melting chocolate. 6. Mixing and assembling Rocky Road. 7. Variations and flavor ideas. 8. Chilling and setting Rocky Road. 9. Cutting and serving Rocky Road. 10. Storing and freezing Rocky Road. 11. Troubleshooting common issues. 12. Rocky Road recipes. 13. Conclusion and final thought. Introduction to Rocky Road. Rocky Road is a classic dessert made from melted chocolate mixed with nuts, marshmallows, and other fillings. Originating in the United States in the early 20th century, Rocky Road is named for its rough and uneven texture, reminiscent of a rocky path. It's a beloved treat enjoyed by people of all ages for its rich flavor and satisfying crunch. Essential ingredients for making Rocky Road. To make Rocky Road at home, you'll need the following essential ingredients. 1. Chocolate. High-quality chocolate is the foundation of Rocky Road. 1. Choose dark, milk, or white chocolate depending on your preference. 2. Nuts. Nuts such as almonds, walnuts, pecans, or peanuts add crunch and flavor to Rocky Road. 2. Toasted nuts have a richer flavor and crunchier texture. 3. Marshmallows. Soft and fluffy marshmallows provide sweetness and texture to Rocky Road. 3. Use mini marshmallows or chop larger marshmallows into bite-sized pieces. 4. Fillings. Additional fillings such as pretzels, cookies, peanut butter cups, or dried fruit add variety and flavor to Rocky Road. 5. Optional. Flavorings such as vanilla extract, sea salt, or spices can be added to enhance the flavor of Rocky Road. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. Selecting the best chocolate. Choosing the right chocolate is essential for making delicious Rocky Road. Here are some tips for selecting the best chocolate. 1. Quality. Use high-quality chocolate with a smooth texture and rich flavor. 1. Look for chocolate with a high cocoa content for the best results. 2. Type. Dark chocolate provides a rich and intense flavor, while milk chocolate is sweeter and creamier. 2. White chocolate adds a sweet and vanilla-like flavor. 3. Melting properties. Choose chocolate that melts easily and smoothly for a silky texture. 3. Avoid chocolate with additives or stabilizers that may affect the melting process. Choosing nuts and fillings. Nuts and fillings add texture, flavor, and variety to Rocky Road. Here are some ideas for nuts and fillings to use. 1. Nuts. Almonds, walnuts, pecans, peanuts, hazelnuts, or macadamia nuts. 2. Marshmallows. Mini marshmallows, flavored marshmallows, or homemade marshmallows. 3. Fillings. Pretzels, graham crackers, chocolate cookies, peanut butter cups, dried fruit, shredded coconut, or candy pieces. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. Melting chocolate. Melting chocolate is a crucial step in making Rocky Road. Here's how to melt chocolate properly. 1. Chop the chocolate. Break the chocolate into small, uniform pieces using a sharp knife or chocolate chopper. 1. This allows the chocolate to melt evenly and quickly. 2. Double boiler method. Fill a saucepan with 1 inch of water and bring it to a simmer. 2. Place a heatproof bowl over the saucepan, making sure the bottom of the bowl does not touch the water. 2. Add the chopped chocolate to the bowl and stir occasionally until melted and smooth. 3. Microwave method. Place the chopped chocolate in a microwave-safe bowl and microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring between each interval, until melted and smooth. 3. Be careful not to overheat the chocolate, as it can scorch or seize. Mixing and assembling Rocky Road. Once the chocolate is melted, it's time to mix in the nuts, marshmallows, and other fillings to create Rocky Road. Here's how to assemble Rocky Road. 1. Prepare the fillings. Chop nuts, marshmallows, and other fillings into bite-sized pieces if necessary. 2. Combine ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, combine the melted chocolate with the nuts, marshmallows, and other fillings. 2. Stir gently until everything is evenly coated in chocolate. 3. Optional. Add flavorings such as vanilla extract, sea salt, or spices to enhance the flavor of the Rocky Road. Variations and flavor ideas. Rocky Road is highly customizable, allowing you to experiment with different flavors and ingredients. Here are some variations and flavor ideas to inspire you. 1. Classic Rocky Road, dark chocolate with almonds and mini marshmallows. 2. Milk chocolate Rocky Road, creamy milk chocolate with peanuts and caramel-filled chocolates. 3. White chocolate Rocky Road, sweet white chocolate with macadamia nuts and dried pineapple. 4. Nutella Rocky Road, milk chocolate mixed with hazelnuts and swirls of Nutella. 5. Cookies and cream Rocky Road, dark chocolate with crushed chocolate cookies and white chocolate chips. 6. Salted caramel Rocky Road, milk chocolate with almonds and swirls of salted caramel sauce. 7. Tropical Rocky Road, white chocolate with macadamia nuts, shredded coconut, and dried mango. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. Chilling and setting Rocky Road. Once the Rocky Road mixture is assembled, it needs to be chilled and set before cutting. Here's how to chill and set Rocky Road. 1. Line a baking pan or dish with parchment paper or aluminum foil, leaving some overhang on the sides for easy removal. 2. Transfer the Rocky Road mixture to the prepared pan and spread it out evenly with a spatula. 3. Place the pan in the refrigerator and chill for at least 2-3 hours, or until the Rocky Road is firm and set. Cutting and serving Rocky Road. Once the Rocky Road is chilled and set, it's ready to be cut into pieces and served. Here's how to cut and serve Rocky Road. 1. Lift the Rocky Road slab out of the pan using the overhanging parchment paper or aluminum foil. 2. Place the slab on a cutting board and use a sharp knife to cut it into squares or rectangles of your desired size. 3. Serve the Rocky Road immediately, or store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator until ready to enjoy. Storing and freezing Rocky Road. If you have leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1-2 weeks. To freeze Rocky Road, wrap individual pieces in plastic wrap or aluminum foil and place them in a freezer-safe bag or container. Frozen Rocky Road will keep for up to 2-3 months. To thaw frozen Rocky Road, remove it from the freezer and let it sit at room temperature for 10-15 minutes before serving. Troubleshooting common issues. Even the most experienced cooks may encounter challenges when making Rocky Road. Here are some common issues and how to fix them. 1. Chocolate seizing. If the chocolate seizes or becomes grainy when melting, it may have come into contact with water or overheated. 1. Start over with fresh chocolate and avoid getting any water in the chocolate. 2. Rocky Road not setting. If the Rocky Road doesn't set properly, it may not have been chilled for long enough. 2. Make sure to chill the Rocky Road in the refrigerator for at least 2-3 hours, or until firm. Rocky Road recipes. Here are some delicious Rocky Road recipes to try. 1. Classic dark chocolate Rocky Road with almonds and mini marshmallows. 2. Milk chocolate peanut butter cup Rocky Road with peanuts and peanut butter cups. 3. White chocolate macadamia nut Rocky Road with dried pineapple and coconut. 4. Nutella hazelnut Rocky Road with hazelnuts and chocolate hazelnut spread. 5. Cookies and cream Rocky Road with crushed chocolate cookies and white chocolate chips. 6. Salted caramel almond Rocky Road with almonds and salted caramel swirls. 7. Tropical mango coconut Rocky Road with macadamia nuts, dried mango, and shredded coconut. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. Conclusion and final thoughts. Making Rocky Road at home is a fun and delicious way to indulge your sweet tooth and experiment with different flavors and ingredients. Whether you prefer classic combinations or creative twists, Rocky Road is a versatile treat that is sure to please everyone. By following the steps outlined in this comprehensive guide and experimenting with different variations, you'll be well equipped to make delicious Rocky Road that will delight your friends, family and everyone. So gather your ingredients, melt some chocolate, and get ready to enjoy the irresistible goodness of homemade Rocky Road. Please give this recipe a try and let us know how it goes in the comment section. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. If you enjoyed watching, please subscribe to our channel. Subscription is free and does not cost money. Have you subscribed now? Okay, I will wait for you to subscribe now. Thank you. Do not forget to like the video, share the video, comment down below, watch recommended or suggested videos on your screen, tap or click notification bell, so that you would be notified each time we upload new videos. We say a big thank you for watching and see you in our next video. Happy cooking!